I've been in Siem Reap, Cambodia 3 weeks today, and this is the first time I have seen any rain. I went for a walk this afternoon and it seemed nice because it was a little cloud cover at that time, so I didn't have that direct sunlight. I wasn't sweating like I normally am. So I don't think it's going to last very long because off in the distance it looks pretty bright. So I wouldn't be surprised this is over in, I don't know, 30 minutes. Maybe tonight will be nice and cool. See the size of that ice cube? Right there. This morning, just on the other side of him, there was a pile of great big blocks of ice. I asked the guy that was at the front desk if they actually make the ice there, and he said no, they make it somewhere else and they deliver it here, and then they distribute it to, well, whoever needs ice. Restaurants and little stores. A lot of places will have those right there instead of a cooler. So they get ice, chunks of ice every day, and then they put their beer and soft drinks in there. Makes it ice cold. Well, the rain's letting up already. I guess I'm not going to get that job as a meteorologist. Well, maybe it'll be a little bit cooler tonight. So that's it for the big storm.